Okay, what we have here is a byrd, which is a budget Spyderco, and it happens to be missing the tip. So on our workshop Ken Onion Elite with the blade grinder attachment, we're going to use the front platen area to try and bring that back to something reasonable for a tip. You grind a little bit on the front of the blade to bring that in. More on the back. And there we go. All right, so with just a little bit of work on the workshop, I was able to get this back to a really reasonable looking tip. So you probably wouldn't even notice that once this is all resharpened and cleaned, that had even been broken. I'm quite happy with that. Just shows that bringing it to the right sharpener can get anything that's broken restored. So don't throw out knives that you break the tip off them. Find a sharpener that is able to straighten it out for you and resharpen it, and you'll have a great knife back. I mean, that's almost indistinguishable. And it's probably back into a little stronger bit of the knife so that the tip won't break off again. Have a great one. Like and subscribe for more work on the Ken Onion, and soon we'll be moving over to the Vevor 1x30. I got some parts coming for that to soup it up a little bit. Have a good one.